Justin from the channel Gunther Spot. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back, and if not, welcome. Glad to see you. Today, well actually I say tonight, it's nighttime right now, but I'm going to show you a very inexpensive and decent looking garden border. But not only that, I'm going to show you a very easy and fun way to dig the trenches for your border. So the reason we're doing this is because we have a lot of dirt in our yard, you know, and we got the woods right here, so there's a lot of debris that the dogs would pick up in their paws, and they end up dragging dirt and stuff into the house. So we put these pebbles down, you know, to minimize that, and it's actually really helped a lot. In a lot of this video, the air conditioner will be running in the background. I apologize for that, it's real noisy. Georgia, it's always hot here, so air conditioner is always running. Not much we can do about that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to, and check out my other videos. I got a whole bunch of how-tos, you know, different projects around the house, different outdoor projects. I got a whole bunch of awesome videos coming up, so just check it out. Go to the channel, check out the Gunther Spot. Alright everybody, enjoy. And let me turn the sunshine on. We got these rocks, and you know, I had this this push-in border laying around, but it doesn't help because when the dogs run over it, you know, it just bends out of the way, and then the rocks end up getting everywhere. So bought this, and you know, that's the same we have up front. It's the cedar boarding. Now the rocks will still get through these little cracks, but I figure it'll look a lot better, and I can sink it down a little bit deeper, you know, and then maybe even figure out something for the insides, you know, to hold the rocks in, but whatever. So that's what we're doing. But what I have to do is dig a trench for that to sit in. Best way that I can think of, best and easiest, is using the chainsaw. That's right. Okay, that's the plan. We're going to cut the trench so we can bury this. May not be the smartest idea, but I don't always do things the smart way, so I just do things my way. So, but be careful if you want to do this at home, you know. This is really not a smart idea. So I got my earplugs in that I'm using as a microphone right now, kind of testing these out, but they're also good, you know, for hearing protection. And I got some safety glasses I'm going to put on. The only thing I'm worried about is the chainsaw blade flicking these rocks around. So we'll see how it works out. see that one more time. Alright, so you can see there, I got my first piece in. It works good. It's down there nice and tight. It's not going to move around. Well, I'm going to show you here. This next piece I put in, it's real easy. Just goes right down, and there's some wires on the end that you can connect together. I think you can get this stuff at Lowe's. It's like 11 bucks or 12 bucks for 10 foot. Cedar, you know, so it's a little bit rot resistant and insect resistant. Although being in the ground, I don't expect it to last forever. Right, so this little area we did is roughly 180 square foot. Overall cost for gravel and the border and everything was about 150 bucks. I know I probably got some mechanics and carpenters out there cussing me right now, saying, "What the hell are you using?" You know, but it's just lightly tapping. It's not gonna damage the ratchet or socket, and I don't feel like going to get my hammer. Now just to finish that little piece. Alright, and that is about it. Got probably about 20 bags of gravel down there now. They're about $4 each, you know, so you're looking at 80-100 bucks for a area this size just for the gravel. And then the fencing was $12 a roll. Got 4 rolls of that, so I figure that's another 50 bucks. And once it rains, you know, washes that off, because there's a lot of dirt on the rock now. And obviously I got to clean up my tools and everything, but you know, it won't look too bad. This is the pea gravel. We tried to get mostly the white. There's a couple bags of the yellowish brown mixed in there, but we do also need a few more bags of gravel. But inexpensive and good looking garden border, and also a very easy way to dig your trenches. And the best part is it keeps a lot of dirt out of the house. Alright everybody, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Gunther Spot. It would help me out a lot. Go ahead and like this video if you like it, found it helpful at all. Check out some of my other videos. I got a whole bunch of stuff, how-tos and random stuff. Right now I'm doing videos on my jobs, my last 2 jobs, which is pretty interesting. You know, get to be outdoors, good exercise, you know, stuff like that. But whatever, go ahead, check some stuff out, and see you again soon.